Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I want to give you a little overview and even a comparison between this bulb and this bulb. And you might be wondering, what is the deal? What's going on? Well, first and foremost, both of these bulbs have a standard base. They're not candelabra bases, as you can see here. But with this handy dandy converter from standard to candelabra, you can use these as candles. And from a holiday season, or for whatever you might want to use, you can put these like in your windows and give your house a pretty cool effect, such as this. So as you can see here in this example, this is what it looks like with the regular orange flame, which is different than this flame. So from a comparison standpoint, you have the green. I'm gonna unscrew this one. And then, if you're looking for more of a flame effect, ooh, I don't even know if that's gonna come up with this, well, the way this camera's gonna pick this up. Pretty cool stuff. So you're wondering, total size of the bulb. So the actual bulb itself, the top part that's illuminated is about 3.5 inches. And it's about 2 1/4, kind of give you an idea size wise. And that's this piece right here. If you're going to look at the entire bulb itself, let's look at what it looks like. That's kind of spooky looking. Look at that. It is the Halloween season at the time of this recording. So, and then total bulb length all the way down to the base is about 5 1/4, So that might give you an idea from a light standpoint. So if you are looking for something for Halloween or whatever kind of festive experience you want, you have some different options as far as color. Now, also these bulbs, I'll say, are not good to be exposed to weather. I've used this bulb or these bulbs for many, many, many years outside, but they have been inside a fixture where they're not going to get wet. I haven't had these outside when the temperatures got below freezing, so I can't give you any input on as far as that's concerned. But typically when these things are in use, I have them in a fixture and it is protected from the weather, not necessarily temperature. Now you might be wondering, was this all you get? Is just this flame effect? No, you could actually change it. There's 3 different ones. And so this is the upright facing flame. And I think, yes, if you flip it upside down, it might be hard to see. The flame then switches and starts going up. So if you have let's say a light fixture outside, it will actually start giving the up effect. You flip it upside down and the flame goes like this way. That's 2 things. And then you can, if you cycle the power on and off quickly, it will go sort of a throbbing. The green's the exact same way. And then if you do it again one more time, it stays a solid orange or green. So from a comparison standpoint, hopefully this answers your questions. If you're looking for that green spooky color, or if you're looking for a traditional flame look, these are LEDs and they are pretty sweet. It can help with your festivities. Hope this finds you well. We'll talk to you soon.